Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these keto shrimp lettuce wraps. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Let's get started with these shrimp lettuce wraps. They're a quick, like 15-minute meal, so they're of course super easy. Only a handful of ingredients, which I have ready to go. And they're super light, so I would use them as either an appetizer if you're only going to have one portion. Or for me, my lunch, I'm gonna have 2 portions because it's gonna be my meal. So let's get started. I'm going to start with 12 ounces of frozen cauliflower rice. I didn't thaw it ahead of time. I have my pan set on medium heat. So I love these already riced cauliflower in the freezer section of the grocery store. I'm gonna add half a cup of shredded carrot, 3 chopped scallions, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, a half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and a tablespoon of minced garlic. Not garlic, ginger. And I like to use a ginger paste just because I do not like chopping ginger or peeling ginger, but if you want to use fresh ginger, please go right ahead. So I'm going to stir this and let it cook and let that cauliflower rice thaw. It doesn't take very long. It'll be about 8 minutes. While my cauliflower is cooking, I'm going to show you the lettuce that I'm going to use as the lettuce cups. This is Butterleaf living lettuce, and it's the perfect little cup. So I'm going to use 3 for my portion. And it does have dirt on it, so you just want to watch out for that. But no worries with that. A little dirt don't hurt. So there's our 3 lettuce cups. Okay, there's our 3 lettuce cups. I'm going to set that aside until our cauliflower rice is ready to go. Okay, our cauliflower rice is looking great. I tasted it, it tastes perfect. So I'm gonna add in 1 pound of chopped, or I guess diced shrimp. So this is shrimp that were frozen, they were peeled and deveined, and we just chopped them. It doesn't matter what size shrimp you use. You can use large, you can use small, it doesn't matter. So we're gonna stir this in with the cauliflower rice. And you want to cook these until they are no longer translucent. It's going to take a few minutes. Okay, this is ready, so I'm going to go ahead and fill my lettuce cups. And how good does that look? These are super easy to pick up, if I can get a hold of it without burning myself. Just like that. That is hot. So anyway, these are delicious. I'm not going to try a bite right now because it's really hot, but let me just tell you, I know they're delicious. I tasted the cauliflower rice before I put the shrimp in, and it's perfect. So guys, be sure you check out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.